Yeah, balloon. Balloon.
Balloon? Where?
On the
Oh, yeah. Okay. That's really cherries. It does look like a balloon.
Balloon.
You want it?
You got some right there. Some wet ones. Gosh, that dried quick. And this humidity.
I didn't make it real wet.
It's really fruit instead of balloons. But it looks like balloons. You're right. You're very smart.
It's crackle.
There it is.
Crackle.
There's your cracker.